Hello and welcome to Reaper Does Math. So today we're doing angles and transversals. So read the prompt. And the figure to the right, so this thingy, use the figure to answer the C is congruent to which of the following angles. So firstly, 2, which 2? So angle C is this angle right here. So angle C, if they are opposite, like this is vertical, so this angle right here would be the same angle as angle C because they are vertical angles. That's what this relationship between angle C and this angle is called. And so the same thing is true because these two lines are parallel, because it says line S is parallel to line T. Alright, next we're going to use a kind of angle comparison called corresponding angles. So angle F is in the exact same spot angle C is. So therefore the measure of angle F is the same angle as angle C. Okay? And so that's what we're looking for as angle C. So we can check mark this angle F because they are corresponding. This angle corresponds to this one. It's in the same spot. So F, and you could do either of two things to find another one. So this angle right here is the same angle as angle C, and it corresponds to angle B. Or you could say C corresponds to F, and F and B are vertical angles, and therefore say that B is also the correct. So that's parallel lines cut by a transversal without numbers. Alright, let's do one more with numbers. So find the measure of angle 4 shown to the right. So this is the one we want to solve for right here, angle 4. So let's use a couple of angle comparisons, but instead let's do something different. It's gonna do the same way, but we're just going to use a different angle comparison. So this angle would probably be angle 5. So angle 5 is 76 degrees. Okay, now you could say that corresponds to angle 1. Or you could say that these two are on the same side, on the inside, and so they add up to 180 degrees, and that's what we're going to do in this lesson. But you could say this one corresponds to 5, and 5 and 4 are vertical, and those are the same. But instead we're going to do something different. So we're going to say angle 5, so we got angle 5 plus angle 2 equals 180 degrees. Okay. And so the goal is now to solve for the unknown angle, and angle 5 is 76. So 76. And then you're going to subtract 76 from 180 to solve for angle 2. It's just like algebra. If you were to do 76 plus x equals 180. But we're just changing the name of it. And then what you would do is you subtract 76 from both sides, leaving you with 104. So angle 2 is equal to 104. So angle 2 is equal to 104. So now I'm just going to erase all of this. And now we can solve for angle 4 because these two are, there's a line cut down them, and if they're on the same line and on the same side, they are supplementary, which means they add up to 180 degrees. So angle 2 plus angle 4 equals 180. Okay, angle 2 plus angle 4 equals 180 degrees. But we know angle 2 is actually 104. And then we could subtract 104 from 180. But we knew that from before, it's 76. So in both scenarios, if we just translated, said, hey, 1 is correspondent to this one, it's in the same spot, and 1 and 4 are equal, that's 76. It's the same method. I just wanted to show you a different way to do it. So that has been angles and parallel lines cut by a transversal.